The Explorer tools are another valuable addition to your Windows experience. The majority of the tools are standard window tools neatly arranged in this menu. We will zoom in on Master Control, MS PowerToys, and SysInternals. Winuscon has implemented these tools in a very user-friendly way, including direct access to online help. If PowerToys has not yet been installed on your system, just click on the menu button while holding down the Control and Shift keys. Next, select the program to install it. Click on Master Control to open the folder in the current panel. It simplifies tasks like organizing files and adjusting system settings, making your work more efficient. This feature compiles more than 200 tools and settings in a single location to serve as a virtual cheat sheet. It's a helpful tool for users who want a centralized control panel for managing their computer easily. Now we will open PowerToys and make it always on top by pressing the Windows, Control, and T keys simultaneously. Next, we press F2 and click on the menu item again to open the help file. This is a much better way to interact and operate PowerToys, as you will experience yourself. Open SysInternals in the current panel. Because of the live connection, you will always have the latest versions of the tools available. Next, click on the menu item again while holding down the F2 key to open the online help. The other tools are really self-explanatory. If a program is not yet installed, click on the menu button while holding down the Control and Shift keys. Next, select the program to install it. Winuscon has made many tools accessible to the user in a very easy way, a true Windows user console.